Hello everyone, today we learn about clothes in Swahili. Let's get started. 1. Mavazi, mavazi, clothes, clothes. 2. Shati, shati, shirt, shirt. 3. Suruali, suruali, trouser. 4. Blausi, blausi, blouse, blouse. 5. Gauni, gauni, dress, dress. 6. Koti, koti, coat, coat. 7. Sweater, 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 sweater. 8. Viatu, viatu, shoes, shoes. 9. Kofia, kofia, hat, hat. 10. Kitenge, kitenge, African print, fabric. 11. Kanga, kanga, traditional wrap cloth, traditional wrap cloth. 12. Chupi, chupi, underwear, underwear. Soxy, soxy, socks, socks. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Kwaheri.